The truth about Lamborghini Aventador. The Lamborghini Aventador is one of the most iconic supercars ever built. Introduced in 2011, it replaced the legendary Murcielago and quickly became a symbol of extreme performance and bold design. With its aggressive styling, powerful V12 engine, and cutting-edge technology, the Aventador represents Lamborghini's pure philosophy: speed, drama, and emotion. Exterior design, outside look. Aggressive body design. The Aventador's design looks like it came from a fighter jet. Sharp lines, angular surfaces, and large air intakes help the car cut through air efficiently while giving it an aggressive personality. Scissor doors. One of Lamborghini's most famous features is the scissor doors. Instead of opening sideways, they open upward, making the car look even more futuristic. LED headlights. The Aventador uses sharp, Y-shaped LED headlights, giving the car a very aggressive and modern look. Aerodynamics. Large air intakes, sharp spoilers, and aerodynamic vents help cool the engine and improve stability at high speeds. Engine, the heart of the beast. The Aventador is powered by a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine. This engine produces around 700 to 770 horsepower, depending on the version. Unlike modern turbocharged engines, this V12 delivers raw, natural power with an unforgettable sound. Performance. Performance is where the Aventador truly dominates. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 2.9 seconds and reach a top speed of around 350 kilometers per hour. The car also features all-wheel drive, which improves traction and control at extreme speeds. Interior, inside the car. Cockpit design. Inside the Aventador, the cockpit feels like a fighter jet. The driver-focused dashboard and digital display give it a futuristic appearance. Luxury materials. The interior features premium materials like leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber, combining luxury with performance. Start button. One of the coolest features is the fighter jet-style start button, hidden under a red flip cover. Exhaust sound. The sound of the Aventador's V12 engine is legendary. The deep roar and high-rev scream make it one of the best-sounding supercars ever made. Technology. Despite its aggressive personality, the Aventador also features advanced technology, including digital displays, driving modes, and advanced traction control systems.
Drivers can switch between Strada, Sport, and Corsa driving modes, each changing how the car behaves on the road. The truth about Aventador. The real truth about the Aventador is that it's not just a car, it's an experience. While many modern supercars focus on efficiency and electric power, the Aventador stays true to Lamborghini's heritage by delivering raw power, dramatic design, and emotional driving. That's why it remains one of the most beloved supercars in the world.